Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last question for lesson 56, subtracting mixed measures. This one says subtract 2 days, 3 hours, and 30 minutes. And we're going to subtract 1 day, 8 hours, and 45 minutes. Well, the first thing we have to do is set this question up so that we can subtract. So I'm going to rewrite it. So we have 2 days, 3 hours, and 30 minutes. And we're going to subtract 1 day, 8 hours, and 45 minutes from that. Okay. Now again, the problem with that is we're going to have to do a little borrowing because we can't subtract 45 minutes from 30 minutes, okay? So we're going to have to borrow an hour from next door and convert that into minutes, okay? So if we borrow an hour from here, that becomes 2 hours, and we're going to have to convert that hour that we borrowed into minutes. So how much is 1 hour in minutes? Well, it's 60 minutes. So we're going to add that 60 to that 30, and we get 90 minutes. Okay, hopefully you understand what I just did there. So now we can subtract that 45 minutes from that 90 minutes. So 90 minus 45, that gives us 45 minutes. And now we can move to the left. So 2 hours minus 8 hours. We can't subtract 8 hours from 2 hours. So again, we have to borrow from next door. So I'm going to borrow a day, and I'm going to make that 1 day, right? And now we have to take that day that we borrowed and convert it into hours, right? Because that's what we need. We need more hours. Well, what is 1 day as hours? It's 24 hours. So if we take that 24 and we added to 2 that we already have, we have 26 hours total, right? The 2 hours that we had plus the 24 hours is 26. So now we can take 26 and subtract 8, and what do you get? You get 18 hours. And now we can subtract 1 day from 1 day, and we get 0 days. We don't even have to really write that one. But our final answer is 18 hours and 45 minutes. That is the end of lesson 56 on page 379.